Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by multitasking. Put 3 eggs into boiling water and set a timer for 9–10 minutes. This creates firm yolks that hold texture. Once boiling, open the tuna and drain it thoroughly. This prevents a soggy sandwich. Make sure to cool the eggs in ice water right away because rapid cooling stops cooking and makes peeling easy. Meanwhile, press the tuna with a fork to expel extra liquid so your filling stays firm and flavorful. You peel and chop the cooled eggs, then roughly mash them. This creates contrast between creamy yolk and tender white. Next, combine the pressed tuna, chopped eggs, 2 tablespoons mayo, and 1 tsp mustard in a bowl. Mix until cohesive but not paste-like because you want bite. Once done, season with salt and pepper, then fold in 1 tablespoon chopped celery or onion for crunch. Make sure to taste. Adjust mayo to reach a spreadable yet structured consistency for the sandwich. You toast 2 slices of bread until they have a slight golden crisp. This prevents sogginess and adds flavor. Once toasted, spread the tuna egg mixture evenly across 1 slice, then top with the other and press gently to bind the filling. Cutting on a diagonal improves structure and makes serving easier. If things go wrong, say the sandwich seems soggy, make sure to toast the bread longer and pat the tuna dry next time. A quick extra squeeze removes excess moisture and fixes texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.